What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know today's video seems a little bit different because I wanted to do a what I eat in a day or how I meal plan video for you guys. I was being asked to do one of these videos for a long time, so finally I was able to get the time to do so. Basically, I want to share with you how I organize and meal plan for my meals ahead of time or for the entire week. I also want to share with you a quick berry smoothie recipe which you're going to love, and also an easy weeknight meal that you can cook in about 30 minutes or so, which is my Keema Aloo recipe. This is basically ground beef, or you can use any meat of your choice with some potatoes in it, and this dish is super flavorful, it's easy to make, and it's perfect for weeknights. So stay tuned for the video. Do consider subscribing if you're new here and you'd like to join my foodie family, and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get into it. So before I get into the recipe portion of this video, I wanted to share with you how I organize and meal plan for the week ahead. I am a very busy person. I am always working, and if I'm not working, I'm trying to relax or going to the gym. So in order for me to make time to go grocery shopping or just organize my meal plans ahead of time, I use these Clever Fox meal planner notebooks. This 12-month planner has really helped me organize my meal planning. I can set my goals, I can count calories with this, I can even track my progress on what I'm eating, if I'm eating healthy, if I'm eating a little bit of junk sometimes, but it really helps me to stay organized and motivated to build a better lifestyle for myself, especially when it comes to food. I know sometimes meal planning can't be that organized. Sometimes you want to go out for dinner or buy a quick lunch on the go, but this really just helps to set your goals for the month or at least for the week ahead. And I also love using their shopping list and their weekly meal plan, which narrows down what you eat on a weekly level instead of like a monthly level. But it really helps with grocery shopping. Sometimes grocery shopping can be super overwhelming, especially with all the choices that we have these days in the grocery. But I like to purchase things that I can eat throughout the whole week and things that I actually enjoy to eat. It could be certain types of greens, certain types of beans that I always keep at home for, you know, additional protein besides eating meat all the time. But this shopping list and the weekly meal planner just has helped me a lot because I am such a busy person. So if you are a busy person like me and you do like to meal plan, or if you're trying to change your lifestyle when it comes to eating, these are going to be really great for you. And I love how these look. They are so beautiful. You can see the hard cover and the little unique design showing the foods. It is made really well. It's such great quality, and really I can't say enough good things about this brand, Clever Fox. They also have other types of journal books, yearly calendars, planners, and whatever else you need to keep yourself organized. So definitely check them out. I will leave a link to their website down below if you are interested. And now let's get straight into the recipes. For the smoothie, I have here some frozen mixed berries. I also have some frozen pineapple. With both fruits already frozen, you don't have to use any additional ice. I have some whole milk here, but you can use any milk of your choice, which can also be dairy free. Then I have some Greek yogurt for the added protein, but you can also substitute with the protein powder here instead. I'm just going to add all of these ingredients into the blender here. You can use any variation of fruits here, guys. I would typically also use a banana for some sweetness, but I didn't have any at home that day. So instead, I'll be using some good quality raw honey to give it a hint of sweetness, and it will also offset some of that tartness from the berries. And then just blend all of those ingredients up till the fruits have blended well with the liquids in there. I prefer a thicker consistency for my smoothies, but you can adjust that by adding more milk or some coconut water here or any other type of liquids. Serve it up in a glass and voila, you have the perfect berry smoothie ready to drink. This is filled with antioxidants, so I love making it when I have time. It's very healthy. I served it with some boiled eggs for additional protein in my meal. And there is my typical breakfast that I enjoy in a day. For the Keema Aloo or ground beef and potato curry recipe, I'm going to heat up a pan here and drizzle some oil in there. To the hot oil, I'm adding half of a red onion chopped. Toss that around so it can flavor the oil a bit. And then I'm adding 4 cloves of garlic also chopped. And also cook that with the onion to let the flavors release. Now I'm adding some ginger paste, which gives it a bolder aromatic flavor, and cook that with the onion and garlic for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding ground beef into this. You can also use ground chicken here to keep the dish a little lighter. Cook it with the aromatics and let the ground meat cook fully. Let the juices of it release, which will take a few minutes, and then cook it till it's browned all the way through. I always like the meat juices to fully evaporate so as to not have any smell from the meat. And once the meat is browned, add in 2 tomatoes roughly chopped. Toss those around with the meat so they can get slightly soft. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of tomato paste in there to add some rich, bold tomato flavor, and then mixing it well. And now to our spices. I have half a teaspoon of turmeric powder here. I eyeballed in about a teaspoon of cumin powder, and then some coriander powder, also about a teaspoon. And then add some chili powder to taste. You can also use cayenne powder here instead. And then some cinnamon, about half a teaspoon. Some ground black pepper to taste. And then mix everything up till it's all well incorporated. Use between half to 1 teaspoon of all of the spices or to your taste. I'm gonna add a bit of water here to make a little gravy. You can add as much as you need here. Add some salt to taste to flavor this dish, and then mix it well. And then add some more water as you need, and then let it simmer for a few minutes. After about 5 minutes, you can see the dish has a richer reddish color. I'm going to add 1 large potato here to this that is cut into large cubes. Mix it well with the ground beef and let these cook. I added a little more water so it can help them get tender. Mix it well and then cover for 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, I'm going to add a cup of frozen green peas to this for the beautiful color contrast. Mix it well again and add a little water, and then cover and let it cook on medium-low for another few minutes till the potatoes are fully cooked. And after a few minutes, I'm going to add some garam masala to this, or allspice powder, just about 1/4 teaspoon or so. This can be quite strong and can overpower the other spices, so you only need a little amount. Mix it up really well and give it a few more minutes of cooking. Once the oil releases from the dish, that means this is now done. Keema aloo can be cooked within 30 minutes. It's a very quick dish to make, and that's why it's perfect for quick meals, especially during a busy weekday. I'm garnishing with some chopped cilantro, and dinner is done. I'm serving it with some white basmati rice and some avocado on the side. And there you have it, a quick weeknight meal filled with protein, veggies, and a lot of goodness. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of a different video, my meal planning and what I eat in a day. Each day of mine varies because of my busy schedule, and my eating habits change with that too. But you know, this is just a general idea of what I would eat in a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe before leaving. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.